Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Colorado Chevy 2005. The body control module was replaced. This body control module, it comes for more than 5, 6, 7, 10 different cars. So please, when you plug it in, they will be only checking your light on. And also don't forget to program the security. And be sure that a used one may not work the right way. When you come to program it, be sure you have an interface that's comparable, and you need to download the software. After you download the software, you may need to relearn the security. The security, if you don't relearn it, the car will not start, will not crank. Right now I download the software. After the download of the software, I am programming the key, which is take 10 minutes. This car is like Toyota key. This is a Toyota key. Actually, the security is not on the ignition switch. The security is on the ignition plastic section of the ignition switch from the back. The resistance and the value are mounted in the back of the key here. So you must do the programming. Also, when you're programming it, don't forget to have your battery, have a charger on it. You know, they made it very, I don't know if this have to be from the top or from the bottom, but I believe this is what I'm seeing here, negative and positive. And this is the ABS module, and this is the car, Colorado. It's very nice car, Colorado mounted. Red 2005 Chevy, double cabin, which is 4 doors. Serves as a small car and big truck at the same time. Right now, even the radio is locked. So the radio is still locked. I'm waiting for the security to finish. 1 minute. If the security is okay, I believe the radio will be unlocked. If it's not, the body control module must be replaced with a new one with the right part number. Here he say 1 minute left. Those radios, you can take it out, and inside there is a security that you can, a chip. Okay, yes, I see. It say still this one locked, and here the security is done. If it doesn't work, that means the body control module have to be replaced. It's not corresponding to the one with the car. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key off. Turn the key on, that's the security light. If it doesn't go off, that means we have a problem. This is a value in the ignition. Okay. The car is start. Security is okay. But the radio for the BCM is not corresponding to that value, maybe, or we have to get a different tool to unlock the BCM. I'm not sure. Also, the ABS light is still on. Security light is still there. The radio unlock again. I believe because it's not corresponding with this one. I have check engine light also is on. And also here it doesn't want to give me the signature of completion. I'm going to disconnect it from here. It's going to be red, program failed, or it will be okay. But it's a complete there. I didn't see that signature. This is a quick information about you must get the right tools for those cars. If you don't get the right tools, you will have a problem always. Okay. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnosis. As also, you say you need a subscription.